Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down tech tips and tools to make your life easier. Today we're comparing two popular cloud storage options, TeraBox and Google Drive. Let's dive in. First up, TeraBox is known for offering a whopping 1 terabyte of free storage that's huge compared to Google Drive's 15 gigabytes of free space. The TeraBox interface is simple and user-friendly, but some users note it lacks the seamless integration and advanced features you get with Google Drive. Plus, the free plan comes with ads, which might be a deal breaker for some. Now, Google Drive it's perfect for those who are already in the Google ecosystem. You can easily share files, collaborate in real time with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and even integrate with third-party apps. But what about performance? TeraBox is great for large files, but Google Drive often has faster upload speeds and more reliable sharing options. So, which one should you choose? If you need a lot of free space and don't mind a few ads, TeraBox is a fantastic option. But if you value integration, collaboration, and speed, Google Drive might be your best bet. What do you think? Let me know your go to cloud storage service in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.